Okay guys, now we're gonna replace the glass on this one. I gotta go faster because we got the rain coming. I already pulled the quarter glass on this one just in the GT, but I couldn't put the video because I go fast today. It's gonna be rain any moment. So this wedge has been replaced before. It's a FYG, so I'm gonna just save it and reuse it because that's the guys want. So let me start making the cut because we got the rain coming, and I still have to finish the Chevy truck when I pulled all the seats and interior. So let me continue pulling. Let's go, let's go. There you go. Okay, let me go the other side. Okay, right there. Now I'm gonna get more angle. I mean, more assistant corner here just to make the cut. Alright. There you go. Just helping to the corner. There you go. So the aftermarket, this one has been involved in the, you know, and the hailstorm, so the glass is almost brand new, so it's not a big deal to save it and reuse it. No more gravity stops. The bonding is not bad, but I don't know about, you know, they got primer. I can see the primer in the glass, but it's cutting really easy, so probably the problem is not really good bonding about the seal and the pitch wheel, but the glass is fine, got a good bonding. Right there. Gotta go fast because I can feel the rain coming. Right, and just right there. Okay, and here I'm just going to change the place. There's a lot of glue in this corner. Okay, got this little cord. There you go. That way I was pulling the glass down. It's in the molding. Okay, so let me just raise the glass a little bit. There you go. Okay. Okay guys, we finished that cut. I'm gonna use the quick set later because now I go fast. Sorry, I don't have too much cord today because I'm in record videos because the rain is coming and I don't want to have any accident here. We're gonna wrap these cars and see you in the next shot. I'll see you tomorrow because I have to finish that one, and see you next.